is blooming, they talk to everyone, oh, it come to be spring. And the rose come to blooming. Final is a climbing rose is blooming. Using a musical score make a designing time, space, and color easier. It's like a music. First, I decided the colors with rose, code with rose. Lower rose, shrub rose, climbing rose. I decided first. And next, I create a rich harmony by adding the other flowers. This one, come to this one. Make a chord. Do the lower tone is a do is a lower rose is maybe a pink drift, and perennial plants like a blue daisy. Mi sharp is a perhaps annual plants and campanula major and perennial plants digitalis. So is a shrub rose, red of the bench. C sharp, the high tone is expressed by the climbing rose Angela. So make it a chord like this. Mix a rose with other flowers. I create musical phrases by overlapping chord. La do mi, do mi so, fa la do. Like a music. After 3 years, the garden come to be like this, and this is the Shiji image. Maybe you arrive like this. Currently, previous design project, other rose garden I designed. Today, I explained about Akao Urban Rose Garden in Yokohama, West Thames Rose Garden. Other garden, you know, Gift Rose Garden, and Local Island Rose Garden. I have designed in China in Shenyang. A musical expression of Rose Garden. Akao Urban Rose Garden is a concert of the Rose Garden and nature. 3 Yokohama Rose Garden is a trio of 3 rose gardens. West Thames Rose Garden is a symphony of the rose garden. Akao Urban Rose Garden I designed in 1998 to present. And very thanks to give a award of Garden Excellence in 2015 in Lyon. The location is like that mountain area. You can see over there the Pacific Ocean. The garden is like that, like this in the forest. This is a map of Akao Urban Rose Garden. I designed the collection garden. In this garden, Mr. and Mrs. Villaroga Barnes drones I can collect. And the Dr. Weathers wildflower roses I collect here. And some other many Jordan Door, English Rose Garden, and Rose Valley, and fragrant in French fragrant rose garden, the herb rose garden. Many types of garden are there. This is the English rose garden because Japanese woman loves like that pale tone roses very much. This is the harmony of rose garden and perennials. Under the perennial come to blooming after is climbing rose is blooming. Roses play heavenly music. The sun comes down from heaven to the earth. The rose shining with the sunlight, and pretty much is blooming same time. So, and the rose, as the arch, roses fall from heaven. This is a Dortmund. If we walk here, so fantastic. Last said iceberg and Farhenbra. This is nice combination. White rose garden. I like white rose very much. So I include white rose garden in every rose garden I designed. The three rose garden in Yokohama, trio of rose garden. The music trio play with three different instruments. The piano trio is a piano and violin and violoncello. Here, three different rose gardens live at the city of Yokohama. This is a landscape of the city of Yokohama. Very beautiful cities. And I designed three gardens in Yokohama at the same time. Future Rose Garden and Fragrant Rose Garden and the English Rose Garden. The blue star is the point of the garden. This is the before of the Future Rose Garden. The Future Rose Garden is a model for rose garden that can be maintained without chemicals. Recently, this century is the environment century. We must respect to nature. The earth is every life is living with communication. So I don't want to kill the insect. So I want to realize without chemicals garden. This is before. This come to be like this. So this white rose, a white iceberg stand there. I love it very much. This is a light up of a future rose garden. That is so fantastic. This is the finale of a future rose garden. Many type of roses blooming and add a perennial and annual plants. The garden is very popular during rose season. Many people come to see. I designed an English rose garden where the British Council used to be. This yellow arch is the Graham Thomas. I used as the climbing rose. This is too. This is a fragrant rose garden. Before, there's no plants and no trees. I designed like this. I planted so many kinds of fragrant roses in this garden. The higher part is the corridor, like this. fragrant rose corridor. People can feel the rose fragrant walking this corridor.